So we're gonna make the butter version over here. And what we need to do is just take butter. We have brown sugar, regular white sugar, and we're just going to mix that together until it is nice and creamy. Okay, so now that the butter and the sugars are creamed together, we're gonna add some salt, baking soda, an egg, and a little bit of vanilla. Continue to mix. So now we're gonna add the flour. We're just gonna put the shield over it so it doesn't get all over the place. So now we're gonna just finish combining the chocolate chips into the batter. So now we're gonna just form little cookies and put it on the baking sheet. So we're gonna bake these at 375 for about 15 minutes. Just check on them to make sure they're not browning too much. So we're gonna go ahead and bake these. So the cookies made with butter is all ready and out of the oven. Took about 12 minutes or so to bake until the edges are a little bit golden brown. And you can smell the butter smell whenever you cook with butter for sure. So you see it's nice and soft inside and smells nice and buttery. It's really soft because it just came out of the oven, but if you wait a little bit for it to cool down, it will harden a little bit. So we're gonna give it a taste. Classic chocolate chip cookie with butter, nice and brown on the bottom. It tastes nice and buttery, and it just tastes really good with a nice chewy soft texture to it as well. When we baked the cookies, it didn't spread too much, so you can see that none of them are really like too close together because I put about 15 cookies on the tray, and none of them really spread too much because we used the butter in this scenario. So this is the chocolate chip cookie made with butter. If you want to see the version that we make with margarine instead, just click on the link over here and you can see how the cookies turned out made with margarine.